Standing here, 13th and 39th by the brand new Certo shop. How are you, Mayed?
Doing great, Baruch Hashem, Baruch Hashem. Come
Take us
inside.
in over here. Let's see the brand new Certo shop right here located on 13th and 39th Street.
Come inside.
It's new, it's fresh, it's cool.
Right. So first of all, we have a brand new front door.
This is all new, right?
13th Avenue is all brand new. Yep.
Wow, wow,
Brand new front door,
wow,
coming in
wow.
from the avenue, right here. Come right in.
Wow, this is a brand new store.
So on the left side right here, we have Simply Sushi, beautiful sushi, freshest sushi in town. Look how many different varieties of sushi we have. Fresh sushi, fried sushi, raw fish, cooked fish.
So this is a brand
roll,
new.
this roll over here, if you can pronounce this, I'll give it to you for free.
P-U and...
No one knows how to pronounce it. Don't even try.
1 minute. Is this just typed on a keyboard?
You try it. See if you can pronounce it. You can have it for free. Okay?
All right, that's it.
Sushi,
So whoever
sushi
watches
platters.
this, comes and pronounces it, gets it for free.
The first two people.
First two people,
Today.
okay.
Followed by that is Catering, has a deli.
Crafting, so this is the brand new crafting.
That is the brand new deli, exactly. Came here. It's Much Gross from Majestic Events. He's been doing catering here for 12 years in the neighborhood. You all know him.
Right.
And now he's in the store. His whole family's here. A full fleischiger salad bar.
So you want a
salad,
schnitzel sandwich, they come and make you the sandwich right
Here's
here.
those custom sandwiches.
Custom
It's
sandwiches.
special right now. Pastrami chicken sandwich and a can of soda, $12.99.
Wow, look at the takeout
And
here.
of course, a full takeout every single day, 6 days a week.
This is a next level takeout.
Mamish neck. It's all delicious food. Heimish gekocht. It's really good food.
Okay, Maya, show us the meat department a little. What's going on here?
So Yossi's Cuts.
Yossi's Cuts, the famous Yossi's Cuts.
Yossi's been around forever, the famous stuff.
So you take only the top Yossi's. Wow,
You
look
want a
at that.
cowboy steak. This is a cowboy steak.
That's what is a busan.
It's almost a cowboy sitting on top of it, okay? We took the cowboy off. It's
You took the cowboy off. He couldn't fit in the shelf.
Beautiful stuff. You want to get a roast for Yontif? This is a roast.
The glaze. Look at that
Nine
glaze.
Horace,
Look at that
unbelievable.
glaze.
Baruch
Wow.
Hashem. Wow.
Yossi's
It's beautiful. The Monica
Cuts,
roast,
straight up over
everything,
here.
yeah.
Anything on sale you have here for
There's
Yom
stuff on
Tov?
sale. There's imported meat. There's American meat.
Right, so you
Pickled
carry both.
meat.
Pickled, imported.
What's the docs? Chicken. Many kinds of chicken.
Mayan, here we go. Assi's. Like you always said, the best of the best.
The best of
Nothing
the
less
best.
than the best. Assi's fish, the famous
Assi's has
Assi's.
been in Borough Park for over 50 years. Assi Schoenfeld Oberschom started the company over 50, maybe 60 years ago. Everyone knows Assi's Fish. And Assi's is right now here. It's the next generation. His children are running it, David and his grandson Moshe running it, and Edwin and his chevra here. And the mamish go every day and they catch the fish. They bring it here on the boat. The boat parks
The
outside.
boat parks outside.
Mamish
That's why you have
40th
that big
Street.
parking lot over there.
Yes, and they
I
bring
was
the fish
wondering
in.
why you have the big parking lot
Right
outside.
here. These guys were mamish swimming in the ocean yesterday, maybe even today. They were swimming in the ocean.
Wow, he's still shaking.
He's still saying hello.
He's still saying hello.
This guy wants to be on your yontif table.
How do you know? He told it to you?
He told me.
Like a shmul kunda. He spoke to me, the fish.
Very good.
The fish
This
spoke
guy
to
over
me.
here. Look
So
at this.
what's this about? Show us
Prepared,
what
oven
that
ready,
is.
throw it in the oven, ready to go. Different examples.
Saying it's an
different stuff.
actual piece of salmon, comes with a
Yeah. It's all ready to go.
ready to go.
Oven
You just
ready.
throw it into the oven.
Throw it in the oven.
And he'll fillet it for you here, whatever you want.
Whatever you want.
Look at the
They'll
fish.
even grill
it's
it for
gorgeous.
you.
Yeah, they grill for the.
I'll grill it also.
Wow. This is beautiful. Spices all by Assi's.
Spices, all Assi's herrings. Which everyone loves his herrings.
So you can either choose some Assi's herring or crafted herring.
Crafted herring, correct.
You have even a selection
Where's
over
the
here.
Wilst? We have it here.
Beautiful. You have a in-house butcher here.
Elio is here, in-house butcher.
You knock on
Elio.
the window, you ask him you want.
Hi, anybody home? Hi, Elio.
Elio, what do you have today for us?
What are you making there?
What are you making there?
Dog cutlets.
Wow, this
Dog
looks good.
cutlets.
This looks good. Somebody wants to make a barbecue on Yom Tov, some duck cutlets.
Our cutlets. We have KJ chicken, Marva chicken. Beautiful, clean, beautiful packages.
Beautiful.
Really nice stuff. Very proud of it.
Halal, the store is nice, big, clean, gorgeous,
Spacious.
spacious.
We painted the whole store.
Maya. No wait, you got the famous Acai here.
Right. The Acai
The
Bar and
Acai
Cafe.
bar. So this is the hottest thing today.
This is the hottest thing. You ate it in Woodridge, and now you have it here, right here in Borough Park. The hottest, the best
Acai,
workers, the
Acai.
best menu, the best everything.
You want to make me that acai bowl? Let's see what you got over here. Wow, a whole menu here. Here we go. Make me an acai bowl. Stick inside some banana, mango, pineapple, frozen strawberries, dates, red apples. Is that too much or is that good?
Everything. Put it
Everything?
Fill it up. Fill
Let's
it up.
go
Like-
see how you
like
do
this.
it.
You want a bigger bowl? Get a bigger
Let's
bowl.
go inside. Let's check
Fill
out
it
how
up.
he makes it over here. Wow, this is a bar. Mayed, we're gonna have a l'chaim right now on acai. Wow.
chocolate chips.
So while you're shopping here, you can pick up an acai bowl, enjoy your shopping with an acai bowl while you're walking through the aisles. There we go. This is it?
Wow.
This is it. Let's go, Maya. Let's go.
Unbelievable. I'll start from here.
You start from this side? I'll start from this side. Oh, wow. Sheesh. Oof. The caramel. Oh, man. Wacht, gaan we nog een beetje Amigo?
Lekker good.
Gracias.
Wow.
On the way to Shlomi, let's stop at the produce. Show us around a little here, the produce.
The produce here is not stopped. We actually go through every single case that comes in from the market, check it out, make sure that it's beautiful, ready for your yontif table. That's our China eggplant. This is going into someone's soup. Some lucky person's getting into their soup. Look at this. Unbelievable. We've mama shine it, talk to it, look at it, how beautiful it is.
So you talk to your food.
Talk to the fruit, make sure. And then you look down over here, we have over here the beautiful tomatoes. It's not stammer tomato. These are special tomatoes, the tomatoes and the cucumbers and the other tomatoes and the avocados and more tomatoes. And this is the Wilst.
Non-stop
If it grows,
food.
we have it. Now, of course, if you want to cook but you don't want to work hard, we do the hard work for you.
Oh, wow.
For example, not only that, for
I
example,
always knew it was hard to cut the sweet potatoes. You're saying you have sliced and diced
here's your
sweet
soup
potatoes.
mix. Here's your soup mix with a bag inside. That's what
Wow.
you care about.
You think about everything.
Everything.
You don't miss a beat here.
Don't miss anything over here.
Yellow
Sliced
squash for a barbecue. Straight onto the grill.
straight on the grill. Veggie zoodles. It's healthy pasta. It's delicious. Corn
What's
on
this
the
over
cob.
here?
These are milchigas things. White mushrooms ready to bake. With cheese on-
Delicious. Wow.
Portobello mushrooms.
Cheese inside. You stick it
Cheese
into the
inside,
oven.
stick in the oven.
10 minutes. You have a delicious mushroom with
Italian
cheese.
portobello mushrooms.
Wow, wow. You think about everybody.
Everything.
How much for the claw?
We're here for the clown.
We're here
to
for
serve
the
clown.
claw. Ascanis.
Ready to bake everything. Breaded
ready.
eggplant. You can bake it, you can fry it.
Wow, wow.
Corn
wow.
ribs. If you haven't tried
Corn ribs. That's a new one.
you should try corn
It's like a
ribs.
cowboy corn rib.
It's like cow, exactly.
Like the cowboy steaks.
It's off the cob.
Off the
ready,
cob.
ready to grill or bake.
Yeah, so you don't
corn
get
ribs.
your teeth stuck on it, you know, when you're
Correct.
biting into it.
We have these, and these, and these, and these.
I've never knew there's so many
and
mushrooms
these,
around.
And these, and these, and these, and these.
Where they grow
and
these mushrooms?
And these, and even these guys we have.
Wow, this is what you see in the country growing
We
on the
have
rocks.
these mushrooms. They're edible. They're right here on the shelf.
These.
And we also have baby eggplant.
Baby eggplant. That means if somebody doesn't want a big one, you get a baby one.
Baby eggplant.
Look at the produce here. Look at the produce here. Wow. Non-stop produce.
Cuts off the stem. You don't want to buy stem. You want to buy grapes.
See, you're legit. When you're paying for a pound of grapes,
Giving you the grapes.
you're paying for the grapes, not for the stems.
Not for the stems.
This is a next level yashas.
This is 100%. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, maybe 15 kinds of tomatoes you have here, if you like tomatoes.
Tomatoes. Myers, you spoke about the bakery. Where's the bakery? What's the bakery
It's
about
not
here?
Stam, it's Shlomi's Bakery. First of all, you come in for breakfast or lunch. They have about 15, 20 different varieties of bread to start off with. Zionist bread, hamaitzi bread, whole wheat bread,
Sourdough.
bread,
Love the sourdough.
whatever you want, with onions and spices, sesame, and the biggest salad bar in the whole Brooklyn, the biggest salad bar you have here. They wiped it out now for lunch. They're gonna restock it now. Behind the counter, you have Alario and his whole chevra working behind the
Sitting
counter
over
so
here
hard.
making scrambled eggs,
Scrambled
the famous
eggs,
Shlomi's
potato
bakery.
salad, tuna
So you don't
fish.
have to go all the way to 16th Avenue.
Right
or
here,
Right
of
here.
course, all the regular stuff that Shlomi sells.
The famous Shlomi stuff.
Famous.
Delicious.
stuff.
Coffee bar. Wow. So what are you talking about? So if I want
Hot coffee, iced coffee,
So if a guy wants to
drinks.
shop with a coffee in his hand, you pick
Right
up a
here.
coffee on the way in,
Coffee in one hand, acai in the other hand.
side
and
on end, and milkshake in the third hand.
I don't know, pushing
You
the
never
wagon,
know-
but,
you never enough hands over you. You should have self-walking wagons.
You're gonna get.
What's this over here?
This is frozen drinks.
Frozen
This was very
drink.
famous in the country, and now they loved it.
Really?
Frozen
Ready
coffee,
sandwiches.
ready sandwiches, ready salads, milk, all these iced coffees.
Shloimis, all shloimis. And if a guy doesn't want to go through the whole store, he wants to buy a sandwich and leave.
I'll show you. I'm glad
me
you thought
see
of
it.
it. Let's just walk out there real quick.
Wow, look at the products here. Look at the drinks.
Here you go. Here's the self-checkout. And just check yourself out.
That's it.
Johnny
You
Riker,
order,
that's it.
you check out, and you leave.
And you ready to go?
Look at that. So you order, you check out, you don't have to walk through the whole store.
That's it.
You pay and you go.
And you're out the door, exactly.
Wow, this is right by 13th Avenue entrance.
That's correct.
My, who runs the takeout?
Matka Gross runs the takeout.
Matka Gross.
He's right here. There he is. That's him. That's him.
Matka Line, Matka Tzadik.
Shalom Aleichem.
Shalom Aleichem, Matka. Lass mal ein bisschen wegen dem Meat Department doen, und mit von der kräftig meat department. Maya gave us a little tour before. He showed us around, but he was in the flesh.
So lassen wir mal so was wir davor. We have here a fleishige sandwich and salad.
So Maya
bar.
said, I will a schnitzel sandwich, kräftig.
Kräftig. Anything you're looking for food, kräftig. Kedaishim, catering, alles.
You guys cater the whole kiddush?
Cater the whole kiddush from A through Z. And some are waiters, tishticher, it's gonna geben everything from A through Z. Or we can do basic packages, whatever is the customer's budget. Some are warmers and some are alles.
Wow.
Ja, wir kicken, haben wir gemacht. Jetzt
Ja,
vorbei
lass
das
mal sehen.
machen, a dinner special.
A dinner
Sie kommt
special.
a sesame chicken oder a hot peppers. A rice,
Nice.
soup, mit a can of soda,
Zoekst du van
over
de-
14.99
van
for
de
the
Bucherel?
Bucherel special. Some are noch the lunch special
Wie
jetzt.
is één keer sessie? Let's stop over here. Kijk wat dit vlees doet. Zoek maar een beetje wie me mag dit vlees. Doe alles gemaakt.
Alles gemacht, do in-house fresh.
Sheesh.
Some do turkey for the
Wie
evening.
net maar dan zeggen grootste chicken beglauw?
Das ist a turkey,
Ja,
carved
turkey
turkey.
is ook
Ja.
Wow,
Turkey.
wow.
Some do, das ist do jede Woche Donnerstag haben wir a full prime selection. We keep on rotating jede Woche. Und over die Antwort jetzt ist du alles was du kennst.
Wie is matge? Wie de sesame chicken van de Bucherem?
Sesame chicken hast du, kijk, jetzt haben wir a hot table, das du jede Nacht. Some do jede Nacht 10 hot dishes.
Kijk op de
We usually
vissen.
have
Kijk
like
wat dit
2 or
is.
3
Wow.
chicken dishes.
You can schmecken the chicken. Wow. Delicious, delicious.
Sweet chili. It's a beef dish. Some 2 beef dishes usually. 3 chicken dishes and 5 side dishes. The part of the Sachen halt man auf jene Seite.
Zwei Sachen, nur ein paar nehmen wir ein paar nehmen. Matge, lass mir dir ein bisschen Dips. Was dit sich nur Maya hat mir gewissen ein bisschen, aber lass mir sehen von dich, Matge.
Kijk hier, in some
Die machst es.
some do a selection was keiner hat nicht gemacht. We have over 70 different types of dips.
7-0.
7-0.
Wow.
And some jede dip what you can imagine. And as etwas is nicht do auf dem shelf, just come and ask us, we'll put it in. That's
Mein mir gewissen the chicken soup do.
chicken soup.
The famous chicken soup.
Chicken soup kommt mit chicken, mit vegetables. We don't play games over here. Das ist ein Item, eines reinkommen letzte Woche gebeten für ein Mushroom dip.
Nächste Woche du.
That's
Schön
it.
du in the shelf.
I'm a bait. We got it.
Wow. Sour
Some are
pickles,
do.
fermented.
This is the best item do. Some do a signature hummus. Drauf Plätze. Tun ich schon heuer, aber machen nicht die eigene Hummus. Das machen wir unsere eigene Hummus.
Wie macht man Hummus?
Some are hinten do a special machine reingebracht.
No.
Wir bringen eine neue Maschine die Woche. Es kostet über $12,000. We only use it to be able to make hummus, a creamy hummus. This is nicht du kann ich.
Gib mir her, lass mir geheim nehmen. Deze darf ich.
Das kannst du daheim machen. Jante.
Cool, Jante. Okay, met zurück mit der Feedback noch Jante, wie die creamy hummus. Beautiful. Wow, what's it? There's great pad Thai sauce. Suchst du machen wir eigene Sauce
Wir machen unsere eigene Sauces. Everything over here is made in-house, fresh. And try it out, you won't regret it.
Okay.
Jante.
Simchas Yom Tov auch hit. Cold 30th Avenue, Erev Yom Tov is packed. You come to Certo, and Maya is ready to greet you with a smile, take you into the parking lot.
Parking lot over here.
An abundance
full
of
cars,
parking.
Baruch Hashem, plenty of parking over here. We'll park over here. Jose is back there somewhere. Where's Jose? Jose, where are you?
What's Jose over here? What is he doing over
Yo,
here?
make sure you have a spot.
Oh, you make sure you have a
helping
spot,
someone
you
get a
say.
spot.
Somebody doesn't have a spot, you take your
make sure you have a
car,
spot.
you
The
don't
car
wait,
is here.
you don't wait a minute.
Not even 10 seconds.
Not
We're
even 10
good.
seconds. Thank you so much, Maya.
Take care.
Maya.
Hope to see everyone.